The next one is the packing efficiency in BCC structure. Okay, so for this we have to consider one BCC structure, and we know that in BCC structure there is an extra atom at the middle of the cube. Yes, so we can draw this structure as this. Now for determining the packing efficiency in BCC structure, you have to connect any two corners from the cube. You can connect this corner with this corner, this corner with this corner, or any other corner. So for our study we will connect this corner with this corner. That means the particle of this corner with the particle of this corner. Now for connection, that means to connect F with A, you have to go through this particle, that means this middle particle. Yes, so this particle is this particle is this, and the middle particle is this particle. Okay, so you can go directly from F to A or through these points. That means from F to A you can go from F to E, E to D, and D to A, or from A to F like A to D, D to E, and E to F. So here the H length of EF, ED, and DA is considered as what? A, and the distance from F to D is considered as B, and AF is considered as C. Yes, so from this structure we got one triangle. What triangle? Triangle EFD. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem we can write what? FD square equal to ED square plus EF square. Now just put the values of FD, ED, and EF in this equation, then you will get the value of B as √2a. Now here we will get another triangle, the triangle AFD. So same, by applying Pythagoras theorem we will get this equation, and now just put the values. After putting, you will get what? The value of C equal to √3a. Now here also we will get a total 4r from F to A. So we got what? The body diagonal, that means from F to A we got total 4r, and we assign A, F as C, so we can write what? C equal to 4r. From this value we can determine the H length A for the body center cubic structure as 4r by √3. So we will get the value of r equal to √3 by 4a. Okay, and we know the formula of the packing efficiency. Then just put the values of the volume of the sphere and the volume of the cube in the formula and multiply this with the 100%. So here the volume of the sphere is multiplied with the 2, because we know that in BCC structure how many total atoms are there? There are total 2 atoms are there, so we have to multiply this with the volume. Okay, and after calculation you will get how many percent? 68%. That means in the only 68% space is occupied in the BCC structure.